Hello and welcome to Associated Foods Produce Warehouse Update. This week it's going to be a little different. I'm only featuring one item because it requires a lot of attention. This is our Yoplait Yogurt Parfait Kits. Yoplait and Nature Valley is doing a cross promotion here. Nature Valley provides the granola, Yoplait provides the yogurt, and both are extremely high quality. As you can see here, we're doing kind of a what's in the box. Furman has opened it up. Starting off, you see some stickers that label the product. There's also some cup, lid, and also granola tray combos, which we'll show in detail a little bit later. Right here's the granola. Excellent stuff. This stuff has superb flavor. There are 4 bags of this, and there's also some yogurt. There are also 4 bags of those. The kit makes 40 units, so it divides it up into 10. Right here is the granola tray and the cup and lid combo. Here's our fresh fruit that we prepared for our kits for demonstration. We've got fresh blueberries, blackberries, and raspberries, and also some fresh cut bananas. Here you can see Furman filling the cups. There is a fill line on the cup. If you look closely on the right hand side of this cup, you'll see the fill line, and a little bit later we'll show it in greater detail. You want to fill the cups just below that line. You don't want to go over it at all. Here you can see we're squeezing every last bit of yogurt that we can out of the bag. It helps your product go a little bit further. After you squeeze the bag down, I would suggest folding the plastic over so it's easy to pour. You can see here's the fill line. We've gone just under it. Make sure that when you fill it up, you give the cup a little shake. That way the yogurt will settle to a level line. Right here we're just filling the granola cups. This is probably the easiest part. Again, you don't want to be too generous, but don't be stingy either. I would suggest getting 10 cups, 10 granola trays out at a time, and evenly dispersing 1 bag to all 10 of those items. Right here we're filling our yogurt with fresh product. This you kind of use at your own discretion. If you're questioning how much fresh product to put in, fill your cup with yogurt, then put in an empty granola tray, and it will give you an idea of how much you need to fill it. After your fresh fruit, you can go ahead and add your granola. Dustin goes ahead and adds his so he can mow down on it. This gives you an idea of what the completed product will look like. Right here we're putting on the stickers as a final touch, and I would suggest using the stickers to cover that fill line that we saw earlier. If you have the means to label the product on your own at your store, it's going to give it that in-house look. If you do not have the means to make your own label, there are some that can be provided with the product. Some additional thoughts I had for these yogurt kits. If you have some sort of portable roll-around cooler that you can utilize at your store, I think it'd be a good idea to put these up by your check stands or by a busy spot in the store during the morning hours while people are looking for breakfast items. Also be careful what you put in with your yogurt kits. If the price of raspberries shoots through the roof and is $40 to $50 a case, you might consider using something else that's a little more economical. As you can see here on the screen, I put up some details for you. The case itself makes 40 units. The current price is $71.01 per case, but that price can change with manufacturer updates. Your average cost per unit is $1.77 without fruit, and we figured with fruit it's around $2.40. From there you can figure out your own retail, but you can see here that it is a minimal cost per unit item that you can probably make some pretty good margin with. Also, for those produce departments that are already doing a fresh cut fruit / vegetable program, this item is a no-brainer. It's something that I think every produce department that does that sort of thing should have to offer. It's an easy thing to make. For those of you who don't have a fresh cut program but are interested in the parfait kits, make sure that you have a facility available to prepare fresh product like this. It needs to be food safe and sanitary. Once you add the fruit and put a label on the package, the shelf life is only 3 days on these items. You don't have to make the full case all at once, but the stuff you do make does only last 3 days. The case itself will have a pretty good shelf life. Another possibility is your deli department. The deli departments are doing stuff like this all day long. They're putting kits together. So if you feel like you do not want to do it in your produce department, maybe mention it to your deli manager and see if it would be something they would be interested in. And that does it for this video. I hope you guys are as excited as I am about these yogurt parfait kits. The consensus around the office unanimously is that these are delicious and they are a wonderful snack to have. I think if you have them in your store, it will definitely increase some sales. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.